Hello, Bob Brum here, and today's encouraging quote is from Marie Curie. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. This has been a theme this week. Master yourself, your greatness, and now your life. Understanding means to perceive or interpret. This means we get to grow, learn, and see what happens. Learn from actions of others and ourselves. Not jump into fear as a first stop in life experiences. Fearing something limits possibilities. Now there are scenarios that we need to be very aware of what could happen and be prepared. However, understanding allows us to accept the risk and know we are in a good place for our growth and the great opportunities that can come from life experiences. So if you or a group of people you're part of would like some help to see the value of understanding life, I would love to help, and I encourage you to contact us at bobbrumspeaks.com to see how we can help you. And I hope you have a great day.